Hey guys, I got a new package from Gorilla Disc Golf. This is their brand new disc. It is a mid-range. They don't have any numbers on it yet, but they said it's a very neutral mid-range. I got quite a few of them, so let's see what we got. On top, we got some stickers. It's pretty awesome. Little thank you. Let's see. Whoo! These are all in the Savage plastic, 175 plus grams. And so that's more like the Alpha plastic, but man, those things look sweet. Again, prototype, no numbers on them. Look at the swirl in that. That is sweet. I'm gonna figure out which one I want to throw today. I'm saving quite a few of these. I think I'm gonna do one of these too. I think I'm doing this one. Oh, maybe not. Cotton candy. Those things are sweet. They are a pretty basic profile, not a big edge on it. Relatively flat. Can't wait to see how these throw. I'm going to actually throw a couple of them, so maybe just one for right now. But I'll do a couple of throws on the course today out here in Canton, Ohio before the 3-disc Lone Star Challenge. First throw ever with the Chango. This is in the Savage plastic. It's 284 feet downhill. Let's see what it does. First throw, never thrown before. That was pretty good, a little shorter than I expected it to go, but overall, great flight, super neutral, stability, I really like it. Okay, throwing a blue bonnet, which is not what I normally putt with, but this should be makeable for a birdie. First throw ever, got some dirt on it, I don't care. If they have any of these still available, go ahead and pick yourself up. Super amazing flight. I mean, I'm gonna call it a 5500. At least with that first throw, I don't believe it's gonna beat in because none of the Lone Star made disc really beat in, which I love about it. So I'm saying 5500. Get yourself one today.